Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a fractal mirror effect. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is insert the picture that you want to put the effect on. The next thing we want to do is expand our canvas using the crop tool. Press this to save changes. Duplicate the layer by pressing Command J or Ctrl J on PC. Make the bottom layer invisible. Grab the marquee tool. Start cutting your image into rectangles. When you make the selection, right click, layer via cut, and now repeat. Make sure that the cuts aren't equal. Now that we have our cuts in different layers, spread them out a bit. While holding Shift, group all the layers together. Press Command J or Ctrl J on PC to duplicate the folder. I'm going to name the top group Top and the bottom one Bot. Grab the bottom one, press Command T or Ctrl T on PC and drag it a bit to the side. Make sure to match the face with the bottom and top one. Let's go to the bottom ones. I can move these a bit as well, so that it isn't perfect. I'm going to duplicate the bottom one and put it beneath it. I'm going to move it as well. Let's add the effects. Grab the middle group, go to Effects, Blending Options, go to Color Overlay. Go to Black, select the opacity to something lower, like 25%. Right click the layer and go to Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Blur, and Gaussian Blur. Select 2 pixels and press OK. On the top layer, go to Effects, Blending Options, and put a drop shadow. Copy the settings that I put here, turn the opacity down. Click on the far bottom layer, convert it to Smart Object, go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur, and put it to 6. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.